Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to this new program and a new platform called Coding Scientist. My name is Anbu Kumar and I'm the founder of Coding Scientist platform. So this is totally a unique, one of a kind, a new type of platform we are coming out with. Alright, so let me try to explain what we are trying to achieve. So basically, across the world, across the internet world, I would say, you know, there are millions and millions of people who are interested to get into coding and robotics and artificial intelligence, right? You go to Google, you search for stuffs to learn, there are millions, tons of information available. However, you need to have some kind of technical background, at least on the electronic side, some basic fundamentals of coding and programming and stuff like that, so that you can get started. Our goal in Coding Scientist is to make sure that anyone to everyone between 8 to 80, all right, you can be from a non-technical background. You may not even have an engineering degree, or you are just still in a school, you are a school kid. Anyone, right? Anyone who wants to get into robotics field, a real robot like this, right, and want to learn from the scratch. So this is the platform where I'm going to teach you one-on-one with almost about 1060 video tutorials, more than 1,000 videos. All right, so we have two different products which is going to be part of this entire program in Coding Scientist. One is called SAINT Einstein. This is called SAINT Einstein, okay? And the other product is SAINT Newton. So I am going to explain to you what exactly we are trying to achieve. So SAINT Einstein is basically a 6-wheel rocker bogie mechanism. Okay, this is a heavy duty metal. It's an industrial grade metal chassis which can be used for off-road as well. You can see how the rocker bogie mechanism works, and it's got two different decks with a LiDAR, with a Jetson Nano and an Arduino Mega inside, and there are a bunch of electronics at the bottom with the battery stacks and stuff like that. So it's a pretty advanced board, guys. So the entire package in Coding Scientist, it's not mandatory that you need to buy this. We will also publish the list of components which is being used this entire session, the series of about 1000 plus videos. All right, so you may source it on your side as well, or if you want to buy the entire package from our side, which is great, no problem, I'm here to help you. So guys, what we are going to do is using this board, using SAINT Einstein robot, anyone between 8 to 80 can start building a bot, a autonomous robot from scratch. That is, you will start your journey with C programming and get into C++ and get into advanced C++ coding, and then move into Python programming, and then a combination of electronic circuits and different kind of components used to build electronic circuits, and then you will get into single board computer programming, that is Jetson Nano, NVIDIA's Jetson Nano board, and then I'll also show you how to get into artificial intelligence, mainly on the computer vision aspects, how to build algorithms, how to do your program to detect an object, and you using these cameras here, how you can detect an object and avoid an obstacle using the vision based processing, right? And that there are tons of other artificial intelligence applications I'm going to teach. That's going to be pretty advanced. So the overall about 1000 plus videos I'm talking about, it's going to take, assuming that you are a non-technical background, you are from a non-tech background, you are starting everything from scratch, it's going to take easily about 1.5 to 2 years to complete the entire course tutorial, and almost 50% of that is going to be free. It's going to be absolutely free. So I'm going to deploy this bot for you guys, and it's going to come in a package with a rocker bogie mechanism, off-road, and it's a heavy duty metal. It's really fantastic. You can go ahead and take it from our site. The most important aspect, guys, this platform we will have a one-to-one session using Zoom, okay, using the Zoom meeting, or also, you know, my cell phone number is going to be published, so you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp and kind of thing. So basically you will go through one lesson, one video, and if you don't understand, you can set up a meeting with me. I will explain to you over the video and the concepts, so that it's going to be one-on-one personalized hand holding. Okay, so as you guys know, robotics is basically a multidisciplinary field which involves electronics, programming in multi-dimension, right? Either you need to use C++, Python, Java, and any other app development tools which you may want, which we are going to cover throughout the series as well. And the mechanical aspects, which is going to be covered while building this mechanical chassis, and the computing aspect, which is going to be covered through Jetson Nano. And you will be learning the most important aspect of robotics is the ROS, robotic operating system. So I am going to teach you about achieving SLAM using LiDAR, and the depth Intel 265 or Intel D435i, one of the configurations we might use, which is going to take care of your tracking and SLAM motions, mobility, and basically you are going to build a self-driving car itself. Using this platform, you will be able to build multiple other robots. So as we named it as SAINT, Scalable, Autonomous, Intelligent Navigation Tutor. Now what is SAINT? Scalable means you can easily scale on top of this, right? Autonomous, of course, this is going to be a complete autonomous bot with a LiDAR and Jetson Nano and Arduino Mega and tons of other electronics. Intelligent, we are going to learn about artificial intelligence while your bot is moving around. So you will be building tons of AI applications along with me, right? And Tutor, of course, you are going to learn through this. This is your baby. So this is one part, guys. If you don't want robotic stuff, you want to get only into coding and artificial intelligence, I have another product called SAINT Newton. So it's a pretty simple Jetson Nano NVIDIA single board computer with a camera, with a USB, with a Logitech USB camera, and a very nice 3D printed box, right? So this bundle I will be making probably about 300 to 400 tutorial lessons videos, wherein I will walk you through from the scratch of Python programming and get into some very basics of data analytics, and we will start using a pre-built artificial neural network by NVIDIA Jetson folks, or also we will use some of the Google data and try to build our own computer vision based AI stuff like facial recognition, object detection, human pose detection, text recognition, and text to voice and voice to text, and Jarvis applications, and all those things will be built on SAINT Newton. I just named it as a SAINT Newton because I really like all the scientist names who have been great innovators of the world. So guys, that's all about it. This is going to be our flagship product, SAINT Einstein, and I don't think anyone in India has got such a comprehensive kit where you can plug everything together within a couple of hours, watching my tutorial videos, and start programming and make it to work. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to be back soon, very soon. When we launch this platform, it's going to be a mega hit. I'm sure about it. All right. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing, and do please reach out to me. Bye-bye.